Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Laura. If you are new here, I am a stay-at-home mom. I have 2 kiddos, one on the way, and I go to the food pantries usually on Thursday evenings and then record on Friday for you. I missed last week. I didn't record, but oh my gosh, some amazing things. There was I forgot. Shoot, what was it? Prime rib roast with $100 price tag on it. That's insane. We were gonna have it for Easter, but we did not. And we also got, well, let me flip you around. Just kidding, this is what we got. We went on Thursday night and we didn't film because Friday morning at 5 in the morning, we were at the hospital having this baby. So she's 1 week old today, and we absolutely love her, obviously. So she's sitting on the table with us and gonna help us. All right, so I didn't go to the Thursday night one last night because she hates the car, and I'm not gonna make her go sit in the car at a week old. So we went to the Friday one that's just around the corner. We were almost last in line, so we got a lot of what we got. Let me show you. Okay, the first thing is this box of about 472, but I've never even heard of these. It's a Cocoa Puff bar. It's bread with like a cream filling. That's interesting. I don't know how I feel about that. That seems interesting. We might need to pass some of those on. Not from the pantry, but look at this. I got these for $9 at Smith's yesterday. Amazing. 2 packs of romaine hearts. A melon. A big bag of bread, like rolls. Sandwich rolls, maybe? Those will be good. Sorry, I heard my husband's home and I heard the other one crying. 1 second. We're okay, I heard. 2 bags of these baked Cheetos, which these are great. I love to send stuff like this in my husband's lunch for work. I make his lunch every day. Thankfully, he's home for a month. He gets 4 weeks paternity leave, which I'm so grateful for. It's been wonderful having him home, and he's been loving being able to spend time with the girls. Okay, and they knew that we needed this. I'm gonna need this in a month. Nitro cold brew coffee. There's 3 cases of this. Each one has 12. A box of Vita Coco preserved coconut water with pineapple. And then, holy French fry status here. 3 huge, like in comparison to the baby. Like it's a baby size bag of curly fries. So we got 3 of those. It's a little haul, but totally grateful for what we have. Gonna have some yummy salads. Gonna drink all the coffee. Because you can never have too much coffee. But, short video. Life's gonna be crazy around here. 2 under 2 and a preteen. Super fun. The little one doesn't know if she likes her sister yet. She'll look at her and she'll go, oh, so tiny. Like, she'll sign baby. She doesn't really talk yet, but she'll sign baby. And then 2 seconds later, she's trying to poke her in the eye. So it's going to be fun when it's just me with these 2 little monkeys. But, and very tiring, but I'm loving it. I'm loving the babies. It's been so nice having her out and being able to cuddle her. So, thanks for stopping by. We will see you next week.